Welcome to Gentle Journaling from Freddie and myself. Today I'm going to take simple items like some scrap napkins, envelopes, recycle some envelopes and some junk mail. This is junk mail postcard. Let's do some gentle journaling together. We'll keep it really simple as well, and we'll create some beautiful art for our journals, or maybe to send us happy mail. You do end up with loads of bits and pieces of napkins, don't you? And I find making envelopes so relaxing. So that's it, I've added the background, now I'm adding some napkin. Just little bits and pieces really. Surprising how effective it looks. I'm using my glue stick, but equally so you could use wet glue for this. Can't get the lid off my wet glue, I'm going to have to ask Sam when he comes down. Creating is what we have in common. The love and care are what brings us together. Thanks, Jodie Ann, for that. That's ready to go in one of my journals. Next, I'm going to add some paint. Use what paint you have. I'm using my watercolours today. That's always such a gentle way to create. Oh, loving every time you see me I'm using green, aren't I? It is a relaxing colour, but you use what colour you like. This is gentle. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's just taking a breath and blobbing the paint on, really, mixing it, making some different types of green as well. The light's just coming down on that just now. Oh, it's lovely. Beautiful. Lovely, isn't it? Spongy.
It is. Hello. What are you doing?
I added gold as well while I had the paints and the water out. Let that dry completely and have a little doodle, little dots and any which way, little scribbles and dots and hearts. You can do as little or as much as you like. Just what helps you relax, really. The tulips are nearly 2 weeks old now. They're still lovely and they drop little petals for me. I love it when they get to this stage, actually. I've got a little pen. It's 0.2. Yes, if things don't go well, don't worry. I'm trying to make a smaller little avocado. Otherwise, that would be a big stamp. But that's fine. I won't waste that. That's a little happy triangle. That's a little happy cheese. I'm trying to make a little happy avocado. There we are. Oh, lovely. He's got knobbly knees. Look at him. Oh, he's quite tall, isn't he? That's a long stamp. I'll leave it. That's fine. Just little faux stamp marks. No right or wrong, really. How much is this stamp worth? 10p. Such a beautiful scene. Looks so relaxing. Beautiful view from this lady's window. Where does she live? Oh, it's in New Zealand. Wonderful. And I just paint them in. Sometimes you have to go over them again with the pen. And that's how I create my little stamps. Sometimes it's just lovely to keep things simple, isn't it, I think? Now, you can add, once it's all dry, you can add, I've done a little faux postage stamp on this one. You then add a little bit more ephemera. And I'm going to use this one for a Happy Mail envelope, or it could go in one of your junk journals as a pocket. I am. There you go. Now ready? It's been so nice to just spend this time together creating, and I've got a little snack here. Got my cup of tea, and I've got a marmalade roll. Delicious. If you fancy doing some gentle journaling, you can use the hashtag so we can find you, or you can just do some gentle journaling just for you, just to relax and switch off. Flo, what have you been up to? Oh wow, I can see that you've got, stickers, thank you. Are you going to do, that reminds me, are you going to do some stickers on the gel plate, I think? Because it's still out, isn't it? So yeah, I love that fabric. I thought I'd put that over by the sewing machine. Flo. No, she doesn't want to give me that, does she? I put it by, it's from Caroline. I put it by so I could make a nice mug rug. I thought that'd be nice, but I think Flo has other ideas. Maybe a spring dress. I better hop to it, hadn't I? I'll give you those stickers back because that's a great reminder. The earth laughs in flowers. Emerson. Lala sent us that quote. Gorgeous, isn't it? Shall we light a candle? Ah, yes. just so we can have a little bit of stillness in a busy world. Yeah. Take care, everyone. Bye. To top this up, there's just little bits and pieces. Do you want to eat it out of here? And then I'll wash it out. You fill it up. It's tiny for your nose, isn't it? Can you get one? I'll sort that out for you. Let's put it here so I remember. What do you think, Fred?
Freddie started recording.
I have started
Percy
recording.
Pigs and Freddie. They're not for Freddie though. No, they're not
Do
for
you
you.
want a little treat, Freddie?
No.
Would you like to open them for me then?
Make Freddie think they're his even more.
I know, right? I'll get you something, don't you worry. Hold on.
I have to use them now. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Let's see, what does a Percy pig look like?
They look like a pig. Yeah,
Nice.
there we go.
Ooh,
It's a little pig.
lovely. Nice. We get your treats,
Nice,
Freddie.
Freddie.
These are your Percy
Oh.
pigs, Freddie.
Oh,
Take one out. Oh, there you go.
that's it. Oh, good boy.
Oh, he is sitting. He's a model dog,
Make him
isn't
put his
it?
paw up.
Oh, can I
Ready?
do?
Paw.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I can't.
I don't
Oh,
know
do
if
you
I
want to
can
hold
do
the
it.
camera? Hold on.
And put his paw up.
Oh,
Oh, there we go.
I think he deserves another one, don't you?
Give him another one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are these your Percy pigs, Freddie? Can I have your paw? Oh, cute darling. Oh, bless
He's
him.
a good boy.